Hello children, continuing with the chapter magnetism. In this video we are going to learn about another temporary magnet, that is an electromagnet. Okay, this electromagnet is made by passing electric current through it. Now how is an electromagnet made? We take insulated copper wire, okay, and soft iron core. Okay, now this soft iron core is wrapped with this insulated copper wire, and the two ends of the copper wire is connected to electric poles. Okay, now when it is switched on, or when electric current is made to pass through it, then this whole setup will behave like a magnet. Understood? And if you bring iron clips or nails to the iron core, you will see that they get attracted to it. So such magnets that are made by using electric current are known as electromagnets. Okay, and the magnetic substance around which the coil is wrapped is known as the core. Okay, this will understand with the help of an activity. Look at these two figures. Okay, here what we have taken is an iron nail, a battery, a switch, and some insulated copper wire and iron pins. Okay, then what we are doing is we will coil the insulated copper wire around this iron nail and connect it to the battery through the switch. Okay, then we will close the switch. What will happen when we close the switch? Then electric current will flow through this copper wire. When electric current will flow through this copper wire, and you will bring these iron nails close to the tip of the iron pins close to the tip of the nail, then what will you observe? That the iron nails get attracted to it. Now what you do? You stop the flow of the current. Okay, when you stop the flow of the current, you will notice that the iron pins will drop down, and it will not get attracted to the iron nail. Why? Because when the flow of the current was removed, then the magnet, the nail which was behaving as a magnet, stopped working like a magnet. Okay, due to the flow of the current, the nail was working as a magnet. Okay, from this experiment what can you say? That magnetization of electromagnet is because of what? Because of the flow of the electric current. Then what material do you use for the core of the electromagnet? The core of the electromagnet is generally made of soft iron. Why? Because iron, it retains its magnetism once the current is switched off. Sorry, it does not retain its magnetism once the current is switched off. Okay, iron does not retain its magnetism once the current is switched off. That is why soft iron is used to make the core of the electromagnet. But certain materials like steel and special alloys, okay, if they are placed in the coil and a very strong current is passed through it, then you will see that the electromagnet that is formed because of that will become a permanent magnet. Okay, then what are the factors on which this strength of the electromagnet depends? The strength of the electromagnet, it depends on the number of turns of the coil. The more the number of turns of the coil, the more powerful is the magnet. Number of turns means the turns that is over here. Okay, if the number of turns is more, then the electromagnet is powerful. Okay, and then if the amount of the current flowing through the coil that is more, then electromagnet is powerful. Okay, this also depends upon the strength of the electromagnet. It also depends upon the nature of the core. Okay, it also depends upon the nature of the core. Understood? But then, do all materials used as core will work as magnet? No. Materials like brass, copper, aluminium, wood, these materials, they are not suitable for making the core. Okay, because if we make the core with these materials, what will happen? It will decrease the strength of the electromagnet. Clear? Electromagnet is clear? Then what is the difference between permanent magnet and electromagnet? Permanent magnet means magnetic properties are permanent. Electromagnet, magnetic properties are temporary, because the magnetic property stays only as long as the current flows through it. Okay, in permanent magnets you cannot reverse the poles, means north pole you cannot make it as south pole or south pole as north pole. But in electromagnet, if poles can be reversed. How? If we change the direction of the electric current. Okay, if we are changing the direction of the electric current, then poles can be reversed. Okay. In permanent magnet, the strength of the magnetic field cannot be changed. Okay, because it is permanent, so the strength of the magnetic field means if this is a magnet and the strength around the magnet is the magnetic field, so this cannot be changed. But in electromagnet, the strength of the magnetic can be changed by varying the flow of current. Okay, by reducing the number of turns. Okay, by reducing the number of turns in the coil, you can reduce the strength of the magnetic field. By reducing the strength of the flow of the current, you can reduce the strength of the magnetic field. So strength of magnetic field in permanent magnet cannot be changed, but strength of magnetic field can be changed by varying the current. Okay, permanent magnets do not need electric current to act as a magnet, but in electromagnets they need electric currents to work as a magnet. Now, what are the use of these electromagnets? Where are electromagnets used? Electromagnets are used in electric bells, telephones, radio, television, motor, mixer grinder, room cooler, loudspeaker. In all these things, dynamos, generators. Okay, all these things, electromagnets are used. Okay, they are also used in industries and shipyards to carry or to lift heavy loads. Okay, to lift heavy iron or steel loads. Okay, electromagnets are used in for removing iron objects from scrap. Okay, if you have scrap and you bring electromagnet too close to it, then what will happen? All the iron materials will get attracted to the electromagnet, and in this way you can remove the iron objects from the scrap. Okay, these are used by surgeon for removing iron bits from the wound. Okay, small iron pieces, if there are in the wound of a patient, then electromagnets are used to remove the small iron pieces from the wound. It is also used in the mining industry to separate iron ores. Okay. Then what is the use of magnets? Magnets, they are used in magnetic compasses, in closing mechanism of refrigerator doors. It is used as magnetic strips in ATM cards and credit cards to store information. These are used, magnetic materials are used in the computer hard disks to store information. Then small magnets are used by doctors to remove iron splinters from eyes. Then magnets are also used to make certain toys. Magnets are used in computer, television, speaker and microphones. Clear?